Hello dolls, if you're new here, hi, my name is LESEDI, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am doing a luxury unboxing, my very first luxury unboxing on this channel. We're gonna start with the first item, which is sunglasses from Sunglass Hut. Now, I have mentioned before on my channel that I am now investing in pieces that I will get to keep for years to come, because I am tired of buying things that will easily break or things that will end up not having any value, right? I'm tired of wasting money in that regard. I'm tired of going to like Mr. Price and getting sunglasses and then later they break. Things are not of great value. Like, for example, if I wanted to sell them again and actually make something out of selling them, or things that I'll keep for my kids one day, okay? If my kids are into fashion or they will love things, because I know most of the things that I'm wearing here, nothing is new, right? My outfit, I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit. I don't know if I'm appearing, but the top that I'm wearing was my great-grandmother's blouse, and I basically inherited all her blouses, well, majority of them that were left. I was the only one, or like sort of like the only one who kind of like had her style or liked the things that she had, so I kept them. So basically what I'm wearing here, this blouse as well as this cardigan, which I feel is a great buy. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's giving Chanel-esque tweed vibes, and I think it's such a gorgeous item to have, and I'll probably have it even years to come. The pants that I'm wearing, these are white tailored pants that was also a hand-me-down. So yeah, so everything that I'm wearing right now, clothing wise, are things that have been there from generation to generation. So that's, to me, that's sort of like an investment. So that's what I want to do with my purchases going forward. So the first items I've been buying, and I've also been looking at things that are quite affordable, right? I want to spend money, but I want to spend my money well. So Sunglass Hut, if you know, they are running a special, or they usually run a special. So before I purchase my sunglasses, I will see what I want, and if I happen to find them on sale, I'll get them. So they usually run a promotion. We have close by Attrape-Rêves Value Mart, and they have a Sunglass Hut there, and they had a 50% off sale while stock lasts. So I don't know if it's still there. So that's where I got this purchase from. The first item I'm going to show you are these Prada sunglasses. I don't own any Prada sunglasses. This is my first Prada pair, which I'm this is actually my second. This is my second Prada pair, actually. Wow. Yeah, so they come in a little packaging like this. I didn't unbox these for you guys, but I'm doing it now. These sunglasses are very gorgeous. I've been wanting a black frame sunglasses for a very long time. These are super cute. I'll show them to you very well. I got these for 1,000, I think 1,400 rand. That's insane. When I went to the actual Prada website and I searched for them, these retailed for about 6,000 rand, and I got them for 1,000 rand at the value, at the Attrape-Rêves Value Mart. Like, guys, you'll say I'm joking, but please, you will like go there. This is where I like to shop. They are brand new, not damaged at all, and they are a slick black pair, which I think is absolutely beautiful and chic. I wanted the Chloe ones, but I ended up getting these ones when I saw them, because, are you joking, 1,200 rand or 1,300, somewhere there. I won't leave them, okay? So I had to have them. I mean, I shot content today and I wore them, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. Like, these are a beautiful pair of sunglasses, very chic. I can style them in so many ways. The next item I got, I've been having these for a while now, so I just thought I should come on here and speak about them as well. I did an unboxing on TikTok for these. These are Versace sunglasses. I got this less than 2,000 rand as well, which are amazing. I do own quite a few pairs of Versace. My very first pair of designer sunglasses were Versace, so I love these. These are solid pink sunglasses with the Versace logo on the side. Pink fuchsia sunglasses. I think these are really pretty. I think I've showed them on this channel before. I think I did an unboxing of these. Yeah, these were of the 50% sale at the Sunglass Hut in Minden. I'm not gonna spend time on these because I did show them to you guys. I just remembered. So the second item I want to show you guys I got is, so I've already unboxed this, but I will do it with you guys. So I got a fragrance. I've been wanting to try out a Louis Vuitton fragrance for a while now. I do my research prior to wanting to purchase a scent. I've been trying to figure out what my scent is. I mean, I have quite a few favorites. When I got presented with the opportunity to go to Louis Vuitton, I thought this was a perfect time to get this scent. I obviously smelled a few scents, but I fell in love with this one a whole lot more. So it comes in a little packaging like this. You have the scent inside here. This is called the Attrape-Rêves. Attrape-Rêves. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It smells absolutely divine. It smells amazing. So this is, it comes in a little thing like this, well, a little packaging like this, which is absolutely chic, and it actually matches me. The box matches me very well. So yeah, this is the scent I got from Louis Vuitton. It smells absolutely amazing. I got this in 100 ml. Oh, smells like heaven. I think it's a very summery scent, so I'll definitely be wearing that in the summer. According to Fragranceita on the website, is a amber floral fragrance for women, and the top notes are ginger, lychee, and bergamot. Middle notes are peony, which is my favorite flower, Turkish rose, cacao, and the base note is patchouli. I love patchouli as well. I'm always going for ouds. I did smell one oud that is absolutely amazing, which I think will be my next purchase. No, this is very different to what I've had before. I don't remember having anything that smelled like this. So perfect for summer. And the lady of the show is but I've never done like luxury unboxing before on the channel. So yeah, let us get into this one. Okay, so I really wanted this bag for a long time, and she's finally here. So I've already unboxed it because I'm nosy. I know what's inside. Of course I know what's inside because I went and purchased it. So I got the Gucci at Sandton City. So initially I wanted the Ophidia GG Mini, and when I got to the Gucci store, they had the Ophidia GG Mini was sold out with the red detailing on it. So they had the Ophidia Super Mini, and so you open it up, it comes in the packaging, whatever, and it comes in a little dust bag. Let's see. Okay, before we get to the bag, we have a little metal attachment on it, which is quite handy. Okay, there we go. So you get the metal attachment, which is quite heavy actually, so that is amazing. It comes in a little dust bag, and then you have her in a little dust bag, and there she is. I personally wanted this color because I know I'm gonna have a lot of wear out of it because it's a brown bag. Majority of my outfits are either cream or brown, and I think this just ties in. I really wanted the Ophidia mini because it has the red detailing there, but we have the Ophidia super mini, which I'm also quite happy about. I think I'm gonna have this for a very long time. I'm definitely gonna be wearing it a lot, so yeah, I think it's worth the purchase. Like, it's quite spacious and big, and is a top handle. It has a card holder inside. You can put your card holder in there, and there's a little chain situation going on in there as well, which is quite cute. And yeah, and I'm gonna try and put this on. The little chain situation going on, which makes it for a nice crossbody. I doubt I'm gonna wear it crossbody though, but I mean, it's still a cute bag. Yeah, I think it's very pretty. Again, it works really well with the outfit that I'm wearing, and yeah, but a little addition to the family. Yeah, guys, I also got from Sunglass Hut, I got my baby his first designer pair. I got him some Ray-Bans. Look at these. I got my baby some mini Ray-Bans. These were like 400 rand and I couldn't resist. They were on sale, so they were 50% off. The initial price is like 800 rand, and I got these for 400 rand. I love them so much. Obviously I know he's gonna break them, but I think if I get that little thing that stays at the back and hook them onto his neck and he can wear them, I think they're so cute. I think they're so cute. I think these are to die for. Oh my god, guys, yes. I got him his first pair of Ray-Bans. I think this is stinking cute, to be honest. So yeah, that is it for my unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.